What type of mind, what type of thought process, what type of psychotic dementia would conceive and implement methodical steps to turn aspects of life into weapons of death, except a diseased mind? In naturopathic medicine, the therapists work with the patient to help the body bring the disease to the surface. For the past 500 years, a disease within the human genetic strain has been slowly rising to the surface. And finally, in these last days of our present consciousness paradigm, we see him at last. Rejoice, brothers and sisters, our healing is at hand. The spirit body of man is in its final stages of healing during this time. We will witness trauma, catharsis, but we will be healed of this disease. He will be purged from the spiritual, genetic, atomic, and molecular fabric of material being. And why? Because he has now put out information that he can't have babies no more. Why is that? In the meantime, we are here as dream workers to examine the body human and learn from what it is that we see as the mistakes of ignorance and the aggrandizement of ego. Look carefully at this recessive's action, this white man, this recessive's action towards Nature Mother. 1, his campaigns of vaccination. 2, his contamination of the soil and thus our foods. 3, the torture and traumatization of innocent, gentle animal life. 4, mind, body, and soul control. I repeat, mind, body, and soul control through the church, government, and the education systems. 5, the systemic and purposeful dismantling and mutilation of that divine fabric of human life called the family and the community. 6, the contamination and pollution of the 2 most basic, essential things to human life, the air and the water. And lastly, as we speak, the militarization of outer space, the frequency wars being conducted on us to undermine and cripple higher consciousness, and the intent to alter the genetics of humanity to create a more docile and compliant slave. Is biological warfare new? No, sir. The earth has always been cleansing herself of organisms that are detrimental to her evolutionary imperatives, no matter how simple or complex. And this Caucasoid and his diseased being will be no different. The devastating consequences of this multi-psychotic, multi-leveled attack against the 4 living foundational sentinels of life, fire, air, water, and earth will be the response of Nature Mother herself. The Earth Mother is in fact a living, breathing, consciously acting and reacting organism of cosmic intelligence that is also going through its own personal evolutionary consciousness. Because it is alive and conscious, it not only acts but reacts to conditions that would threaten and destabilize her own harmony. When you have done something to the body of and its intelligence, atomic intelligence, cosmic intelligence that reacts to align you is under universal law. As your atomic intelligence is aligning you, you experience symptoms such as headaches, runny nose, palpitations, fever, chills, even skin eruptions or growths. At the present time, this is comparable to the symptomatic representations or stages experienced by this earth. The final combination of psychic traumas, wars, suffering, cruelty, echo-rape, and other heinous crimes and violations against both man and planet have become chronic. Brothers and sisters, we have now entered the time of the great dying. Let me repeat that. We have entered the time of the great dying, as predicted by our ancestors. You see, because we are in the final stages of this paradigm, the light that once fed and sustained its existence is rapidly fading. Let me say that again. There is a light that surrounds our planet, and there's a light that surrounds you. There are certain people that do certain kinds of works that automatically causes their light to become amplified.
Teach it, brother. Teach
that energy is leaving, and this planet is slowly getting darker and darker. The more you encompass light, the more you affect the people and circumstances around you. If you go to work where you got dull-ass people, you can feel how different you are because your light automatically shows you the difference. People who know what effects that they have to other people around them have a tendency to affect people in such a way that those people hate you because you agitate a cleansing in them. You cause them to want to go shit. You cause them headaches, and they don't know why. But you are working their nerves just by your presence. And just as equally, when somebody who's fucked up, dead, a succubus, drone, zombie motherfucker, you can tell. Because when you stand next to them, you start getting sleepy. And you don't want to talk. Your voice start getting trouble and shit. It's like a vampire sucking on your neck. Well, I'm saying that to tell you this, that those people who are of the light, they're leaving us. All these mass deaths are people who carry specific lights, and the earth is getting darker and darker.